Dora pet lo, tuma secretary lo, rosontimung, penitum non working president, kahai kangjang terang, penitum advisor, bahani tadolo, vice president besangu tadolo, pen nilitum nanitum pan nange phalam thegela phelo, tarik isi Nagaland post along, Sen Supplier Dimapur, Sen Stockist Union Dimapur, lapen cumuku dima Sen Union atum. Nilitum pan isial timetam nange pido nilitum pan nange koi alam theta doko alang nilitum pan nange koi gela puhen lo je nilitum SMSA atum bang sangtia dora kili palit papat ong pusi nilitum pan koi lo lapen so put hak sitami nilitum ang bong da chingwai lo pen nilitum ke hokpet ke nilitum alang nilitum pen kacek kroy ador ta nilitum no anda long lela ador kebat bang helu alam lo nilitum kacik kroy tang ador ta alang nilitum pen onatan nilitum hanang pipela lapen la so puthak nilitum pen reply ta pipela sta hala bukulia sangtia welfare pu atum bang reply pilo je alang nilitum phanta nang ye SMSA atum pen hala Nagaland along astokis atum si chingwai si flikabra hini ador en lo lapen la so flikabra hini ador ke en ke suri phoke komane underground atu phansi kapanong pon pusi niltum phan koi na pipon sita niltum ke alang niltum ke kumasong ma putan niltum ke pusi alang niltum la so reply ki pi hai ma putan niltum ke mathanang kok lo the alang niltum registration ke do song takali pen kuson pen tong alang tumpu seng voi mat ini from kam si claim shot nasi alang tum la bang so alam the bangke pakeng nangji pen puthot alang tum nalitum phan media sta angnu sta me alang tum la bang so alam the bang pakliya nai pusin nil tum pen chuni rilo pen non nil tum pen ki pujiya bangke nil tum ke ador ke flike prahinita par safety sangti 42 rupees per safety tanil tum aldi ta chetheklong le sinili tum pena banke throke pra pho mate 65 per safety sinil tum pen na pen sitame jor ikpo pen ke nam je tum sitame anador si nang nam nang pu si nil tum lang no press media ang no nil tum ain pen tame pachining tum pen la banke nil tum puji lake only la itum dipu kar benglong mate pu inter district fan kali la niltum interstate a business alam siniltum kanije sila bang sokera pho par safety siniltum jorpo la pen la bang so putaksi niltum niltum fanage pha la pen niltum non nilibang isi nili ke asaba por ka dure pen ma mithang personal senior kam ke do join pen si la non SMSA mate Sen Mahaldar and Supplier Association tang manja head office nilia president bang non live sikedo nasi application ta pu advisor to mari deng si piat lo pen working president aisap kado go ke claim ke dam ke langji bang ke pu tuma along do ke hai sar kangjang terang si la SMSA bang ke lang sari ponpo pini pen ke pen alangli along sikat do gawe la Sen Mahaldar tu manta cerabun peji fansi pachini lo la mas council pen tu man siaron nga pathik do trake hum pen 450 an si sangti ta ponchot nangji 10 cm an si ponlong chotji la pen ada baji pho pen aning sambaji pho an si la so business bangke suli chot nangji pu alam the banganil tum SMS pen ke pura chedon nun
la pen
la ke mi alam si alang tum ke kem lo
track ke adang captain pon long le sangti lage ho dak ghat pen mohol pen keroy punon ba karbiang longang tan men lege pon punon ba arlu pen punon lage karbiang long autonomous council authority pen si sangti keroy ke adang captain ke lage adang captain abat lan ke roy long le lo la dang trok an le roy long lage chedon lo itu authority pen pima ki pu ge ni tunge pati pek pelu authority la me claim long le de claim long le lo claim long la ben jog le claim seta pen na mane police tum ne check ajat pen ta laga ni tu SMSA pen thang adai ta welo ga the tung aron kar kan phan ke ni tung ke chỉ sót đồn đều chỉ sót đồn đều nẹp check rồi tụi mình thang phụ đồ thay rồi là đang
non halam buglia long dopro atum hai mane 42 rupees per safety la sodor ke nil tum tak SMSA pen Nagaland stockist union atu pen nil tum ka chekroi flikara hini pulo chatok tang tado khala so ka chekroi ke suri pho ke alo song phan ki pipon pusi akoi nang pi si hala bang nil tum ke kali nil tum kala flikera heni ke sangti ado dak selong lo tu choklo hala pu bang pi mai le ni tum ke bang kam lo
ko ni tum ke sangti ke ni tum ke emethang chothon na wei de ghat long ko pi ma la so dor hin tum ke chen pu hodak bang dang ni tum suri pu pak se pu pharo kani flikera hini tangka pen abat kon ma chyor theke lage ni tum alu kaut kali le lage business apon nang hadak long nang phego te meong cholo ta ni tum ke flikera hini ki abat pen atau akisun ke ni dunge joro nelo hola sura lam le non mangke trokebra pho la trokebra pho lo ni dung lage la so red lop te ni dum cheton bo eta hala tum la non bukulia do prong tum la tum sel Mahaldar welfare association besi pulo tapi ni anda la tu registered up akagos alu la hai government pen kipi la hai avela osi lage alak tum keninge je ni tum sangti Mahaldar pu Dimapur sorpan statement si pidun tu sita registration au dat pot lagi illegal statement. Laben aku bangafan ke koi pon thap ke pati pon thap bangke la bangke chokchi. Lasa aku nitu mithang sangti de nitu ke daksi choyor nitu hadak choyor lam de. Pola dak pini langroi longa choyor ke nitu bangafan la ananam pipon nai pu lahai nitu longa lam be. Lage mama track pen hadak choyor tu mah tung si chini lo. Nitu long menang chonam tung si chini lo ke nitu itu ngala daga thang pudu thai welu asila ninje ve ka tumta approve have te ninje tap nang ne laben lage kethepi kalam arlo songmen ifan ke pati pon ge tangka ki rumpi pu ge kethepi kalam lage
then Mahaldar and Supplier Association Manja I would like to highlight few points regarding the hike of rate of sand from Karbenglong interstate supply business. Precisely on 1st of November, SSUD, Sand Supplier Union of Dimapur and their allied organization has stated that the rate of sand is being hiked by the Sand Mahaldar and Supplier Association of Karbenglong, that 42 rupees per safety is too much. I would like to clarify that 42 rupees per safety has been agreed by both SMSA and the counterpart association of Dimapur. That 42 rupees per safety has been fixed at the river side, and it is the rate of sand. And on the contrary, one association from Karbenglong has replied to them that 42 rupees per safety has been agreed by both SMSA and the counterpart organization, and 5,000 of that from the 42 rupees, 5,000 rupees amount has been given to the underground party, and SMSA does not have any connection with those party, and we have not given any money to the underground.
The so-called underground.
The so-called underground. We have not given any money to them.
Tax.
No tax to them. We have not given any tax to them. It is on their part that whatever they do, it is up to them. But on our part, we have nothing in connection with them. We don't have any any
whatsoever business activities in Nagaland.
Yes. And I would like to request those association who has blamed us for having nexus with those militants or under so-called underground to clarify themselves regarding the statement in front of the public through the medium of social media or through the media.
Illegal
At present, SMSA is fixing at ₹65 per safety. This is a rate from today onwards.
Illegal plan
Regarding
the
so-called soil supply welfare based in Bukulia, doesn't have any valid documents. They doesn't have the registration of the association, and actually they are running illegal business in Bukuli area. I request them not to mess with the business of the sand Maholders.